Hello, people. Today we're doing a set, that I'm calling Purple Marble over Cat Eye. And we're going to be using these shorty coffin tips. Starting off with this Beetles Purple Cat Eye. I'm going to have a whole smorgasbord of different polish brands for this set, so buckle up. This is a really, really super easy peasy set that anybody can do, and it's quick. Now, I managed to mess some stuff up, so you're going to have to bear with me in this video. Okay, we're in the first layer of cat eye. We're not going to do anything with the magnet. We're just going to go ahead and cure this. And the second layer, we're going to get the second layer on here, second coat. Now this time before we cure these, we will be activating the cat eye with the magnet. I think I only had one of my desk lights on for this too, so it looks darker than what it actually is. Okay, now what I want to end up with is the activated cat eye in down the middle of the nail only. I don't need it at the edges. So we're going to get it activated and shoved into the center part there, like so. Okay, and I'm going to do that on all of them. I'm going to show you one more, and then the rest I'll do off camera, I think. I had a lot of problems with the edit on this video too, because I had to be moving stuff around out of order and to get it to be the right way you guys need to see it. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to do the rest as I said. Now they've all are going into cure. There's where we are. While they're curing, I'm going to get my marble ready. Starting off with this lavender, that's Makartt. And then we have another Makartt. It's a darker purple. Now I'm not doing very much of this because this is where I had to do this again. Okay, I forgot to hit record when I was doing the original marble on these nails, and I have got to tell you guys, I have never been more pissed off in my life. There was a whole litany of cursing that went on for like 5 minutes straight. I was so mad, the most important part of the video, and I didn't hit record. So I had to break out a whole separate nail, re-polish it with cat eye so I could show you what I'm doing. So I ended up having to make a whole, so now I've got a loose separate nail that matches the set floating around here. Okay, and we're going to go again with the lighter purple at the end. All right, now I also forgot, we're going to be using an ombre brush. I also forgot to put blooming gel on there when I did this redo one that you're looking at right now. So then I had to wipe all my marble off. I had a beautiful marble going. I had to wipe it all off, put the blooming gel on, and then do it again. And by then my marbled, my polishes were all smushed together, so they were kind of muddy. They weren't nicely separated colors. So it was this would have been a super easy set if I had screwed up the video. I mean, the set is easy, but the video, oh my God, what a pain this turned out to be for me. Let's see how the colors are all muddied together now. They're not staying nicely separated, but we're going to scoop them up, cross that whole line, and then we're just going to float it on down both edges. Now this is going to be muddy looking. If I had showed you this before they got all smushed together, you would see the color separation better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up some of the darkest purple that had the glitter in it. One of those, that UR Sugar one, pad is reflective glitter. So I'm just swiping some of that through the marble where it was kind of muddy looking, so I can have some more marbly looking marble. Now, mind you guys, this is just the extra nail. This is not the one of the good ones, so it's not going to look as good marbled as the other ones because of the mess I've got going on my palette. All right, there it is. Now it's going to get cured. And when we're done looking at it, you will see the rest of them. Okay, here's the rest of them that have been cured now. And that's what they all look like. Okay, they're back out of the lamp and we're ready for the final top coat. And that's going to be all there is to this set. I'm using my tempered top coat on here. You don't have to use that. You can use whatever top coat you want. But that's all there is to it. It would have been super easy peasy if I hadn't screwed up the whole video. So sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's happening with me lately. I've been so discombobulated and so messing everything up, not only on here, but just around the house and doing things, other things. But man, I'm blaming it on menopause. That's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, we're going to hold this upside down for a bit and let that all come to the center better. And then we cure it, and there we are. They're back out of the lamp and all done. This picture is not really doing justice to the cat eye, but it does look pretty cool in person. Anyway, if you like it, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see more, I upload a new tutorial every Saturday. And I will see you guys next time. Stay warm wherever you are. Bye-bye.